In this video, you'll learn how to add a border to a circular video created with the mask effect in Camtasia. First, we'll start by creating the circular video using the mask effect. When resizing the mask, be sure to hold the Shift key to maintain the perfect circle shape. Next, we'll apply the border effect to the video and adjust the thickness to create a visible border. Initially, you might notice that the border outlines the entire canvas. To ensure the border only surrounds the circular video, simply select the Use Alpha checkbox. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.